Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you something a little bit different, and I'm trying to Aussiefy the world. This is my cheese and Vegemite sausage rolls. I'm sick and tired of hearing of other people that are from other countries not liking Vegemite. I'm going to show you how to make them good. Get sausage of your choice. I'm actually going to use some beef kebabs. Yes, I'm going to add some of our Balkan flavour into this one and put those aside. First thing you want is a couple of sheets of store-bought puff pastry. Really simple so far. Alright, I've got some Vegemite. I've decanted that, so I'm not going to be double dipping. Now, the secret to using Vegemite is to use very, very little. So I'm going to, as you can see, I've got a very, very thin smear on this. Right, just nice and light. Smear that all over your pastry. Now, the biggest mistake that a lot of other people make, especially people from the US, in Europe, they put heaps of Vegemite on. You don't need that. It's very, very strong, and we just want that subtle Vegemite flavour to go into our sausage roll. We don't want something that we can't eat, and these are perfect for a rainy day, just like today while I'm narrating. I'm not sure if it's bleeding through in the background, but will persevere. So just coat your pastry all over very, very thinly with the most tiniest amount of Vegemite. Right, here I've got some tasty cheese, shredded tasty cheese, and I'm just going to sprinkle that down on top of that Vegemite and pastry. Oh, and if you really want to try Vegemite a different way, this is the way to go. Such a universal and healthy product, full of vitamin B, and everyone needs a little bit of vitamin B. In fact, with my multiple sclerosis, I actually take biotin, which is B7. Okay, now we've done that. I'm going to get my sausage, or my little kebabs. These have got a slightly different flavour inside. They put their own little mixture of herbs and spices in there, and I'm just going to put those together on the pastry just like that. All we have to simply do is roll these up really nice and easy. Now, in the meantime, the oven is already cranked up to 180 degrees Celsius, which is exactly what we want. And we want to make sure we get cheese all around that meat, so we get everything nice and even. So when we bite into these, we get the beautiful meat, the pastry, the cheese, and you'll get just this tiny hint of Vegemite. It's such a really cool flavour, and actually ends up tasting a little bit sweet. Alright, I'm going to roll that up. We're going to cut off any of the excess. We just want to have a little overlap of around about 10 millimeters to half an inch, depending on how big your sausage is. Pardon the pun. Alright, I'm going to put those aside. I'm going to continue making these up. We've done that. I'm going to cut these into thirds. You can make them halves, you can make them whatever size you want. You can even make them little party size ones. But these little thirds, they work out great. So I'm just going to give those a cut through, just like that. Nice and easy. Right, no rocket science to that. And I'll put these on a tray, of course, with a bit of baking paper. That's going to help clean up afterwards in case any cheese does want to escape. I'm also going to add some little vent holes in the top. Just 1 or 2 or 3 little dabs with your knife straight in like that. Okay, and if you're a lover of Vegemite, you're going to love these, I tell you. A little bit of egg wash straight over the top. It's just an egg beaten up with a little bit of milk. Okay, you can use water, doesn't matter. I'm just going to brush that on like that, and that is going to give us a really nice crunchy flaky pastry on top. In they go, around about 35 minutes, and they come out and they look like that. Here I've got some potatoes that I've roasted up just in foil. That's another recipe for a different time. We do this all the time. I'm going to just cut up my potato with a little bit of sour cream like that. You can serve it up with some fries if you want. That's another way to go. And the Aussie way, a little bit of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. And there you go, KP's cheese and Vegemite sausage rolls. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. But more importantly, if you want to learn how to make a really nice snack for a rainy day just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my cheese and Vegemite sausage rolls, and I will catch you next time. Bye.